Here, some sweets for my Swift.
Oh, cake, give me some of that.
I made it for you.
Who hit you with the ugly stick? Get this thing away from me!
Why did you do that? No, it's all over my face. Why doesn't he love me? He thinks I'm so disgusting. I'll never be hot enough. I hate my life. I'm gonna sit alone here forever. My shows never judge me. Beautiful cake.
Do you feel like a loser but want to be popular?
Can't you read my mind? Yes, I want to be beautiful.
All you have to do is become a mermaid.
Wait, what? It's a real mermaid! I think it's time for a makeover. Really? Well, that hurt! How dare you! Oh no! I need to get rid of this! Come on, pop already! Oh no! That thing was powerful! Here, I'll help you! Attention me! Stop moving around! Don't be a baby and come back here! Let's pop those pimples! Wait, I don't know about this! Stop fidgeting! Okay, fine. You're not ready. Practice on this. Okay. This one hurt nearly as bad. Now to inject this bad boys. They really look like zits. Yes, it's so much fun. You mean it's so disgusting? This next one's going to blow your mind. I'm gonna pack it with slime. I'm so excited to pop this thing. But first, oh yeah. Why is this so satisfying? I could pop this forever. Here it comes. Just look at it. It's like a big nest explosion. And just like that, my face is so clean. Must be nice. This is the worst makeover ever. Wow. Yay! What was that? Who's calling me? It's back here. Good luck popping me, loser. I'm hanging on forever. Stupid back knee. Here, try this. What? Is ought to be interesting. Here we go. Just stick it right onto the wall. It's so sticky. Very nice. I can get used to this. This is it. I'm gonna scrub it off. It feels amazing. Yeah, really got in there. Oh, yeah, this is surely the end of me. Oops. Oh no, what's wrong with my hair? Oh, the stupid rubber bands. Nothing is working. Wait a minute. I have a lemon oil. Just a little bit. And this pesky band. A toast. Isn't that cool? My hair is free. Let's try it on this one. Here it goes. Yes. It's like magic. Ta-da! These luscious locks are ready to play. But look at it. My hair is so dry. Definitely, girl. You need some hair treatment. Let's fix this. What are you doing? Okay, it's gonna be a little cold. This is an old magic mermaid hack. Don't you love it? What are you doing? Okay, time to introduce you to my magic gadget. Say hello to my head massager. I'll leave you two alone. Okay, I guess I'll give it a whirl. Wow, it's like a hug for your head. I can feel things tickling already. I think I'm done. Check out the new do. Amazing, right? That's cute, but you're not done. Really? Come here. Fine. Now what? Get down. Let's add some colors. Are you sure you know what you're doing? Mermaid status coming right up. My neck hurts. Let's flush this stuff out. Looking good. Time to come back up for air now. What's wrong with you? Look at yourself. Wow, is that me? I'm so beautiful. It's like a rainbow on my head. I feel like a mermaid princess. Now it's time for makeup. Check out this gorgeous rat. This is how you do it, right? The bigger the lips, the better. Or maybe not. It's so bad. Help me. You're right, gross indeed. Let's fix it. Ready? Yep. Her eyes are closed. Perfect. Pucker up, buttercup. Pump the lips, pump them up. Isn't this fun? Just a little longer. Wow, now I'm ready. No, you're not. So kissable. Whoa, let me out. make you look even more fabulous. Trust me, okay? Looking better already. That feels kind of nice. Just wait until you see this. It's what all the mermaids do. So pretty. Relax. We are all done. My hat is attached, you know? No way! Is that really me? It's so colorful. I love it. What are you doing down there? I feel like a fish. Mind if I grab some seashells? I like this one. Thank you. A little help would have been nice. Okay, bye. Wait a minute. I need crown. I've got all the most beautiful seashells. Now with a little bit of hot glue in just the right spots. It won't even look like a headband anymore. Look at these gorgeous jewels. Fit for a mermaid, of course. But the shells add a little something special. And they are purple. But why stop there? Beautiful. Incredible, right? I think I'm ready. Is it my size? Yes. I'm a real mermaid now. I'm so happy. Goodbye, nerd life. It's time for some snacks. I can't resist my chocolate cream. So gooey. I could eat the whole jar. So good. It's so nice to finally relax. Oh, yeah. It's just so sweet. But look at this gloss. My nails. Disgusting. Sorry, buddy. What else am I supposed to clean them with? Gross. But it's fine. Seriously? They're still bad. But where is my toothbrush? Found it. Let's go. Clean every little nook and cranny. Nice. It's actually satisfying. Look at it go. Aren't these gorgeous? All clean. It's time to add some color. Who needs scissors? Let's go. Now, where is my nail under there? Now I can see it. Step 1 is done. Now I just have to finish shaping it. And I know just what shape I want. A fish, obviously. So cute. This 3D pan will bring it to life. I love some hot pink. Almost finished here. Perfect. Now I can stick it right under the nail. Hello, little fishes. Swimmingly gorgeous nails. I feel incredible. I think I'm ready for the big transformation. I can't wait. Here we go. Make me pretty. Whoa! I can't believe this is really me. I'm so beautiful. Not dark at all. Am I a real mermaid now? Hold on. Just one more thing. This have gotta go. Oh, yay! This is just for you. Thank you. It's hard to see now. What does it say? It's just from mermaids. My first invitation to a party. I can't believe it. It's him. Let's go. Today was Kale's day at the fitness. I'm looking good. Stop. I'm done. Give me the towel.
Okay.
I'm so soaking wet. Oh, nasty. She's also a mermaid. Somebody will take care of this. Oh, it's wet. Oh, not in the school. You're just like me. Yes, I'm a mermaid. But I'm the pretty one, huh?
Brett, you're also a mermaid?
Wow!
No! I'm the only mermaid. She's just a fish. Oh, wait! Definitely a fish out of water. Pull yourself up, girl. I need to dry myself. That's gonna take long. It's not even working. What? Roll it. Hey! It's too long. A magical transition. Yeah. Sorry, Brittany, for earlier. A peace offer? Maybe she's not that bad. Something is wrong. What is this? Let's do a little test. Yeah, I'll dip it in the water. What? You're so ugly? Why is she so mean to me? This will show her.
Didn't expect this from you, Savvy. Brittany is a nice girl.
What? Her? Over me? I will make myself beautiful. This is the fastest way to do it. Hope you were not having lunch. Oh, right. Is that a pearl? Oh, wow. I will pop them all. The real treasure is the pimples we pop along the way. What should I do with all this? Wait, I know! A necklace, just like Savvy's. Oh, what's going on? Oh, whoa! Wow! So beautiful! Hi, Pete.
Wow, Brittany, you changed so much.
It's my necklace.
Whoa, so beautiful.
Got to do something. Yeah, you stay here. Don't move. Oh, hi, Savvy. Hi. Oh, my skirt is wet. Oh, you're gonna be fishy. Oh, they are waterproof.
Oh, wow. I think I'm falling in love.
Class, it's time to check your projects.
Holy seven seas. Hey, can you help me with the project?
No, Savvy, you had the whole week to do this project. I'm sorry.
I'm a mermaid again. Hey, boy. Already hypnotized by my beauty. Give me a homework.
Here you go, Savvy.
Thanks. Let's make this video lit. Get ready. And boom.
Oh, Savvy, good. A+. Good job, Savvy.
Oh, I forgot mine. Savvy, could you do me a favor? Thanks. Mean. Ooh, I hear a D-cup. Let's get to work.
Brittany, is the project ready?
Yes, look at that. Beep. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
Brittany, this is amazing. A++.
Oh, yes. Why, you little... Ooh, bump it.
Hey, Savvy, come to the party.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, Pete, wanna go to the party with me?
Actually, Savvy, I have somebody else in my mind. Huh? It's empty.
I can help. Don't you worry. I'll work my mermaid magic. H2O on the way. You see?
Wow, thanks.
Oh.
It's so hot in here. Brittany, are you okay?
Oh, it's okay. I'm gonna help you.
Wow, Britt. Thank you.
Time for a change.
Wow, being a mermaid is so cool. What? What is happening? Stop!
Oh, Pete, wait. I was trying to help. Brittany. Now, Brittany, you're gonna get some of that. Device's horoscope is lit. Oh, little snail. I will name you Fluffy.
Hey, Britt, can you help me?
Hi, Pete. What's up?
Cool friend. Do you know how to fix this?
Yes. Just stay still. Fluffy will get rid of this.
What are you doing? Ew, what are you doing?
What? It's just a snail. It helps with pimples.
Wait a sec. It is gone? Wow, thank you, Brit.
With my crush?
Yeah.
I'll get you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I love this dress. What a beautiful day this is.
Nice dress, Brittany.
Oh, thank you very much. I got this dress for my grandma. And it's very special for our family because...
Yeah, keep talking.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Okay, bye, Brittany. See ya.
Bye! She was so nice today. Oh, no!
So embarrassing.
You're right. One fish is trash, another mermaid's treasure. I just need this bag, and how you like that? You gotta like that,
Let me show you how it's done. What? How do you do that?
Don't worry, Savvy. Don't worry, I'll teach you.
Why is she always so nice to me?
Ugh. Wow, Brit, you look amazing.
Oh, really?
By the way, thank you for the help earlier.
That's from Mermaid Beauty? Wow! You're welcome. Thank you for this dress.
Will you be my date for the party?
Oh, yes. Oh, Pete, you know how to surprise a girl.
Cool. See you at the party.
Yeah. I'm gonna be the most beautiful girl in the school.
Oh, nice dress, Brittany. I want one too. We will be twinses.
Is she here?
Slay! Feel like a real princess.
My heart is pounding.
Hey, bro, let's go.
I can actually get a drink.
Here, take it. Sorry, I have to go. I have a date. Game on. Hey, Brittany.
Oh, Pete.
Savvy?
Pete! Savvy? How could you?
Oh no, I'm ugly again.
Oh, you look so bad.
But how can I be beautiful like you?
Oh, take my beauty necklace. Ugh, you need it more than me.
I'm so pretty now. I will rule the school.
Sorry, Savvy. I love Brittany. Let's go.
Wait, I'm beautiful. He left me.
Hey, you want to go for a swim?
Yes.
Let's go.